Welcome friends in science lecture 5 lesson 7 diversity in living organisms. In today's lecture we are going to learn for the phylum that is Pisces. Now this particular comes in vertebrates. As we know, these class are fish is actually called as fishes and aquatic animals. Fine, their skin is covered with either scales or platelets. Plates, that means the scales that we understand is an hardcore thing made up of calcareous material. They get oxygen dissolved in water by using gills. Their body is streamlined, a muscular tail for locomotions. That we know, we have seen fishes. They are cold blooded and have two chambered heart. Right, they lay eggs, maximum of them, and have skeletons made up of entire of cartilages. Right, so the skeletons are made up of basically cartilages, and for example sharks are there, or they are made up of cartilages and bones also, like tuna fish and raw fish that are available. So this particular category is counted in Pisces. You can see these photographs of different kinds of fishes, of marine fish also and river fish also, that is freshwater animals also, but they are aquatic by their nature. Fine, there are many of them: electric ray fish, stingfish, like dogfish. There are many different type. Lionfish is there, very dangerous and poisonous also. The stings are dangerous. So these are the many different kind of fishes. Here also there are many different kind of fishes present. So these are the different kind of fishes that you are able to see. They are having fins that by which they can float and balance their body. Fine. Next is amphibians. Now amphibians do not have scales but have mucus glands in the skin, have moist skin. That means they are very slimy, and you can't catch them. They are having a mucus on their skins. They are having three chambered heart. Fine. Respiration is through either gills or lungs. They are found on land and water both, but they lay eggs mostly in water. For example, frog, salamander, etc. So these are the examples of amphibians. You may see the different types of frog, and this is salamander as shown. Going further, the next phylum is Reptilia. Now Reptilia, they are cold-blooded animals, have scales and breathe through lungs. Mostly have three chambered heart, but some have four chambered. For example, crocodiles, they are only having four chambered heart. Lay eggs mostly on land with tough covered shells. For example, turtles, snakes, lizards, crocodiles, etc. So they are counted in reptiles. They are living on land but lay eggs generally in watery areas, and they are counted in reptiles. You may see these are the different types of reptiles, generally shown as in small figures. Fine, these are these are lizards, snakes, chameleons, turtles, and all. Fine, these are the different types of reptiles found on the earth. There are many more, big category. Fine, so we'll keep up till here for this particular lecture for reptiles. So thank you for this particular lecture.